In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on GoHighLevel. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or new to creating websites, this guide will walk you through the process in a straightforward and manageable way. We'll begin by navigating to the GoHighLevel dashboard. Once there, look for the Sites tab. This is your starting point for all things related to your website, so go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see two options, funnels and websites. Click on websites because we want to build a website, not a funnel. From here, the next step is to initiate the creation of a new website. You'll want to click on the button labeled New Website. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a choice. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be building our website from scratch, so select from blank. After selecting to start from a blank template, go ahead and click on the Create button. This action sets the stage for your new website. It's time to give your website a name. Here you should type in whatever name will best represent the project you're working on. Feel free to keep it simple. With that complete, click on Create once more. This will generate the framework for your website. But a website without content is like a book without pages, so let's continue our journey by adding some pages to your site. Look for and click on Add New Page. A window will prompt you to name the new page, so once again, type a meaningful name for this page. As you did before, click Create New Page after you've named it. Congratulations, you've added a new page to your site. Now it's time to customize it. Look for the Edit button and click it to open the Page Builder interface. In the Page Builder, you'll need to click on Sections to begin adding different parts to your page. These sections might include headers, footers, or any other custom segments you can imagine. After selecting sections, you'll find a tab called Quick Add. Click on that, then choose one column to start building the layout of your page. After adding your column, you can start bringing in some elements. Begin by clicking on Elements from the sidebar. This opens a range of choices for things like text boxes, images, and buttons. To incorporate an image, click on Images, and choose from available options to embellish your site visually. If social media integration is up your alley, you can click on social media icons to include links to your social platforms. And just like that, you have the building blocks for your website on GoHighLevel. Remember, you can continue to customize and add content as you see fit. This process empowers you to craft a site that fits your brand and meets your specific needs. Don't forget to save your work frequently to ensure none of your hard work gets lost. Happy building, and I hope this guide has been helpful in starting or expanding your online presence with GoHighLevel.